So question 2, as the management accountant for Benco Proprietary Limited, you are asked by your manager to prepare a cash budget for the next 2 months. You'll be presented with the following information. Sales for May were 1,000 units at $25 a unit. The business estimates that their sales for the next 2 months will be as follows. All sales are at $23 per unit. So we've got some June and July sales. Based on the previous experience of the business, sales are expected to be 20% cash in the month of sale and 80% on credit, and those credit sales are expected to be collected in 60% in the month of sale, with the balance being collected in the following month. The May inventory purchases of 11,000. All purchases of inventory are made on credit and are paid in the month following the purchase. The following purchases are expected, so June and July are purchases. It is expected that the following monthly operating expenses will be incurred. We've got some operating expenses. We need to pick out the cash ones. And all relevant operating expenses will be paid in cash in the month incurred. The business intends to purchase new furniture at a cost of $20,000. A deposit of 20% will be required in June, with the balance paid in the following month. There will also be additional motor vehicle expenses of $800 to be paid in July. The cash balance at the end of May was $1,000. And the first thing it asks us to do is calculate the cash receipts scheduled for Benco Proprietary Limited for June and July. So let's start doing that. So my cash collections or cash receipts. Now first thing I need to do is I need to work out what my sales are. So I've got $25 per unit at 1,000 units. So that'll give me $25,000 for May. And in for June I've got $23 by 1,600 units, which should equal, what is it, 23 times 1,600 equals 36,800. And I've got, what else have I got? I've got 800 times 23, which is exactly half of 18,400. Okay, so let's start making up my schedule. So, cash schedule, cash collections. So my cash collections is pretty simple. Let's just put in sales first. And I'll do May, June, July. So my sales are 25,000, 36,800 and 18,400. And I'm just getting that from here, here and here. Alright, so now cash sales is 20%. So 20% of 25,000 is 5,000. 20% of a little bit more. Let's see if we can just slide that in there. 36,800 times 0.2 equals 7,360, and should be half. And my brain's not that smart at the moment. 3,680. So therefore, I've got 80%, which is credit. So my 80%, which is credit, that'll leave me 20,000 there. I can calculate that one easy. That's 20,000, yep, 20,000. 36,000 minus this, 36,800 minus 7,360 equals 29,440 and 18,400 minus 3,680 equals 14,720. Now of these credit sales, we need to, let's do May, June, July. This is my collections. Now of my credit sales, it's saying to me that 60% will be collected in the month of sale, which means 40% will be coming in the next month. So of my May sales, I'll be collecting 60% in May, So I'll put a little 60% there, and that means I'll be collecting 40% of my credit sales in June. So of my June sales, I'll be collecting 60% in June, or my June credit sales I should say, and 40% of my June credit sales in July. And of my credit sales in July, I'll be collecting 60% in July. Okay, so what's 60% of 20,000 is 12,000. So that leaves me with 8,000. Once again, the brain's a bit soft today. We'll clear that. 60% of 29,440 equals 17,664. And so that means 0.4 times 29440 equals 11,776. Now we're looking for 16% of 14,720. 8,832. Now we're looking for our collections in June and July. So I've got 8,000 plus that is 25,664. 8,832 plus 11,776 equals 20,608. But I've also got to include my cash sales here and here. So let's include those ones as well. 7,360 and 3,680. And so what I'll do there, plus 3,680 equals 24,288. And what have we got here? 25,664 plus 7,360 equals 33,024. So that's my collections for the period. So cash collections.